So if you missed this, all the way back in probably July, John Force, one of the longest lasting, greatest drag racers of all time, had one of the craziest crashes ever. You watch here, the engine just explodes, which I think it said something like 300 miles an hour, 200 miles an hour, whatever it was. You lose everything. Obviously, with the engine exploding in front of you, you lose all of your sight. And that's what happened to that car. And you think that's all the power steering, or not power steering, but like any sort of control that you have in that car, all the electronics are going to explode. Everything is just gone. And well, this is an update from, I think, probably this weekend. That's him up moving at the racetrack, talking to people, signing autographs, which is an incredible sight. I mean, there was traumatic brain injuries because he hit the wall again at whatever it was, 200, 300 miles an hour. And that's a scary thing. Just the force involved in that slamming with absolutely no control, no knowledge of what's going on, and just slamming into it. Like you can see, I mean, fireball. So you're gonna lose any spatial reference of where you are, and then it's just immediate like danger. You've got flames in front of you, so you have the possibility of being burned, and just slamming into the wall that hard is it's incredible to see him up walking, safe, well not safe, but like at least progressing. Not even one hit, two. So I laugh because it's just kind of it's a ridiculous thing to watch. It's not funny in the sense of like comedy, but I mean it was good that he got out of the car. He could move sort of freely on his own. And to be up, like I said, in that video, up at the racetrack, walking by himself, not a wheelchair, not with body casts. I mean, obviously it's been a few months, but to be up and at least on the I don't know, upward progression of healing, the correct trajectory that you should be on or hopefully would be on. He's not still stuck in a hospital bed. He's not, paralyzed or obviously probably still in pain, probably still some things that aren't fully healed at all. But to be up around the people that, I want to say love him, whatever you want to call it, and to be up and showing support and like, the fans showing support for him is pretty cool to see. So I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me. Have you ever been to a drag event? Were you there at that one? Uh, I don't know. Comment something, whatever you think. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.